Guys, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel, Dubai Keys. We have FutureCoin here. We'll be looking at this airdrop. It's currently upcoming as of recording, so you want to take note of that. It's currently ranked at 3,255 on CMC. So it's on the watch list of about 101,505 users, CoinMarketCap users. So there are about 18,006 216 tokens on our CoinMarketCap. So I'm going to be adding it to our watch list, guys. If you add it to our watch list, we're going to be the 101,506 users. So the price movement, you can see the price movement, guys. For a quick update, make sure your watch list is set at public so it can be verified. It's part of the airdrop requirement on CoinMarketCap. So market data is tracked. The price is currently at $0.2. 24-hour volume, you can see the price movement. You can also check to navigate for one timeline. You can see the highest so far has been about $1.4. So market data is tracked. Self-reported circulating supply has not been verified fully, but these are the figures that have been submitted to CMC. So you can see the links, official links are here. You can check up if you want to make more research on this coin, efuturecoin.com. That's the official website. White paper is there, source code, and more. It's on the Ethereum contract. Audit has been done by Cetic. Okay, self-reported tags on DeFi, DAOs, and more. I'm not sure we have Metaverse here, but we have Launchpad, DeFi 2.0, cross-chain, and more. So you can check overview here for other price estimates and more. As of recording, it's going to be starting 2 days from now. FutureCoin CoinMarketCap exclusive airdrop is airdrop pool is worth about $60,000. So each users will be getting up to 200 future tokens. So I think that's a great one, guys. So it's going to kick off March 17th to April 7th. So 200,000 future tokens for 1,000 winners. So how to participate: 20 days airdrop event, 17th March 2022, 7 April 2022, 200 future $60,000 airdrop. So the mandatory requirement is that you add it to your watch list. That's step one. And make sure your watch list is set at public. Step two, you need to follow them on Twitter account, FutureCoin, eFutureCoin. That's the official username. Then step three, follow them on Facebook, eFutureCoin2. Then join them on a FutureCoin English on Telegram group. Then you also want to join their Telegram channel. Say optional, holders with 100 future tokens plus one ticket bonus, holders with 1,000 future tokens plus two ticket bonus. So depending on the number of future tokens that you have as an holder, you'll be getting extra tickets as bonus. So holders must retain all future tokens in their DeFi wallet until winners are announced. So apparently they are going to be checking out for a list of holders with these tokens. So values of future in dollars were calculated on 10th of March 2022. So please revisit the current future price chart to see the current values. FutureCoin is responsible for winner selection, reward distribution based on how many tags do you follow. You will get a numbers of tickets, how many times equals to how many times of wallet address. We will put on a random picker partner. So guys, that's basically the requirement for our bonus tips. There's no saying here you should tag or retweet their pin post, but we do recommend you want to tag and retweet their pin post, and also you want to if you can also pin it to your profile, you want to pin it to your profile. But that basically works towards the end of the project. That's when towards when they have started making selections. So that's when they start doing the verification. So that's when it should be eligible, because they will start checking each account towards the end of the once the airdrop ends. So depending on the timeline given, you want to take note of the timeline. Another bonus tip is that you should stay active on this platform. If you can pin it to your Twitter page, just stay active on this stay active on these individual channels. Then also, if you can also create a picture. You can use it as a profile picture if possible. If you want to do, which you just be creative, guys. Be creative. Make sure your watch is set at public. That's all. Peace out, guys. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and support us by subscribing, guys. Then also, I think that basically it. Peace out, guys. One love. Shabbat, keys.